Hey guys, today I'll just show you how to create folder redirects. For example, if the client connected to your Windows server saves something in documents locally, it also saves it on the network or in a network folder. So in case something happens to the client PC, I don't know, let's say it explodes or something, it won't be totally lost. It will also be saved on the server. Now later on you can save things from the server to the cloud, but that's a video for another day. So first what you want to do is create a main folder, a folder where all the other user folders will be in. So I'll just create one in the C driver or the C drive, name it IT redirect. Now all the folders, files saved on client users, on client PCs will all be saved into this folder, and they will be separated or they will be grouped by the user that it was saved in. So if Abdul saves something on his maybe documents, there will be a folder saying Abdul, and in there the file will be there, the save file will be there. So oh yeah, so we created the folder. You wanna share it as well. IT redirects, right click, properties, security, edit, add, IT department. Okay, we'll give them full control for now. Apply, okay. Gonna go to sharing, share, click on IT department, make sure it's read and write, share, done. Right click on it, right click on the folder again, properties, advanced sharing, permissions. Gonna add the IT group again. Okay, we'll give them full control. Apply, okay, apply, okay, close. Cool. Next, go back to your server manager, tools, group policy management. Right click on the OU you want to apply the group policy to. In my case it's the IT. We'll right click on it, create a GPO for this domain. We'll name it IT redirect. Okay, click on IT redirect, edit. You want to go to user policy or user policies, user configuration policies, Windows settings, folder redirections. Now we in this case are going to redirect documents or the folder documents. Anything you save in documents will redirect onto the Windows server. So documents, right click, properties, settings, we'll make it basic, and make sure target folder location, create a folder for each user under the root path. Make sure it's that option. Now root path, you wanna paste the network path, not the local path. So redirect, properties, you go to sharing, you'll see the network path. I'll copy and paste that. And we'll just paste it there. Here's an example. You see, it shows the user. So apply, okay, okay. You're gonna close that. You wanna close, you don't have to close these, but you're gonna go to your now created GPO, enforced, or right click then press enforced. Then you also wanna go to, wait, you're gonna double click it. Then you'll see security filtering, add. Just wanna add your group again. Okay, close. Now we can test it out, but we have to apply the group policy to the client. Now you can either restart your client or you can open CMD and force the update by saying GP update, which stands for group policy update, / space / force. and we'll update the policies. Okay, the group policy client-side extension for the redirection was unable to apply one or more settings because because the changes must be processed before system startup or user login. Okay, so we have to restart. It's fine. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes you don't have to restart. Most of the time you don't have to restart, but in this case it seems we have to. So I'll just log in again. Okay, now we can test if it works. So on our Windows server, we'll go to that folder we created, Abdul. Okay, I don't have permissions for that. We'll give ourselves permission. So we'll go to properties, security, admin does have permissions, and I am logged in as admin. So seems the folders inside aren't inheriting the main folders permissions. So we'll just create, or we'll give them permission. Okay, did this inherit? Yes, the documents folder did not inherit the permissions. So we'll give ourselves permission. You must have read permissions to view the properties of this object. Click continue to attempt the operation with administrative permissions. So we'll continue. So try taking ownership. Okay. Seems we have to take ownership. So we'll add admin. We'll add both admins actually. Oh, I think it's just one. Okay, it's fine. I think I'm logged into the right one, I'm not sure. What did it say? I didn't see. I did not see. But it is. Okay. 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 Okay, now I do. I have permissions now. Okay, so it already created the folder for Abdul. I mean, it's only Abdul because we only have one client right now. We'll add later. We'll add more later. So let's just test if it works. We know. Oh yeah. I have to. Wait, let me read it out. You do not have permissions to access this path. Contact your network admin to request access. Cool. So I Abdul do not have access to my own folder. Okay, interesting. We'll give ourselves permission. We'll give them permission. So you're gonna go to security, edit. You're gonna add. Do we give it IT or do we give it? Okay, wait. I wanna see something. Okay. IT redirect. IT redirect. IT department has full access, full control. Absolutely. Full control. Documents does not. But for documents, do you want to give it? Gonna give the access to Abdul's documents to just Abdul, or to everyone? I think it has to be just Abdul, right? Not the whole IT group. So if it's just Abdul, hmm. Okay. Edit, add. Select this object type. Computers. Service accounts. No. Okay. Let's see. Abdul. Chicken. There we go. So you can add a specific user to access a file or folder, not the whole group. So in this case, we want only Abdul to access his own document files and admin, which is me. So we'll allow that. We'll give Abdul full control, apply, okay, and go to sharing. Share this. Abdul didn't, okay. Just Abdul, he didn't hide. Okay. Gonna go to advanced sharing. Share this folder, share documents, permissions. You're gonna add Abdul again. Check. Okay. Gonna give Abdul full control. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Close. Cool. Abdul should have access. There we go. Abdul has access to his folders. Now let's test if it actually redirects. IT redirect Abdul documents. We'll create a text file saying hello admin. Inside we'll say hello admin, this is Abdul and I am so happy to be under your management. Cool. We'll save that. We can close this. There we go. Perfect. So now if something happens to their PC, to the client PC, and they can't access the documents or whatever file you're redirecting, it's now going to be on the Windows server. I as the system admin can manage it, save it, cloud, whatever. So that's how you do it. Quite easy. Yeah, I hope this was easy to follow. I hope it was quite informative. Yeah, thanks for watching.